friends, welcome to my channel again. In the previous video I have told you about the appearance, about the prevention, about the shape, about the history of the COVID-19 virus. In today's video I will tell you about all the preventive measures which you can take to prevent yourself from the COVID-19 virus. So let's start our video. So a common question arises in the mind of the human beings that what preventive measure he or she can take from prevent herself or himself from this COVID-19 pandemic. Recommend preventive measures include hand washing, covering one's mouth while coughing, keep distant from the people who are suffering from fever, cough or illness, monitoring self-isolation and wearing masks in public settings. Authorities worldwide have responded by setting travel restrictions, lockdown in public places, hazard controls, and facility closures. Many places also worked to trace the contacts of the people who are suffering from COVID-19 virus and increase the testing capacity. Now, I am giving you some 7 steps from which if you follow these steps then only you can prevent yourself from the COVID-19 pandemic. Step 1. Regularly wash your hands from soap or alcohol based sanitizers. By frequently and thoroughly washing your hands or cleaning your hands from alcohol based sanitizers or the soap and water, you can prevent yourself from COVID-19 pandemic. Now, why we should clean our hands from alcohol based sanitizers and soap and water? Because we frequently use our hands to touch many places and surfaces without knowing that the places are contaminated with many more viruses including the COVID-19 virus, and without realizing we touch our eyes, nose, mouth and ears from which the virus enter from the outside to the inside of the body. Washing your hands from soap and water or from the alcohol based sanitizer kills the viruses which are contaminated in our hands including the COVID-19 virus. Step 2. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth and all the sense organs from where the COVID-19 virus may enter in your body. We often touch our faces without noticing, and be aware of these things because it can make a person to suffer from COVID-19 virus. Now, why we should not touch our all the sense organs? Because hands touch many surfaces and pick up viruses. Once contaminated, hands can transfer these viruses from the sense organs into inside the body and it will make you sick. Step 3. Cover your cough. Make sure that you and the people around you follow good respiratory hygiene. This means covering your mouth and nose from the tissue or from your elbow when you sneeze or cough. After that, dispose the used tissues into the closed dustbins and then wash your hands immediately. Now, why we should cover our cough? Because when someone coughs or sneezes, they spray the small liquid droplets from their nose or their mouth which contain the virus. By covering your cough, you avoid spreading viruses and other germs into the other people. Step 4. Avoid the crowded places and contacts from the persons who have cough or fever from the last 2 weeks. Avoid crowded places, especially if you are over the age of 60 and having the negative health hazard like increased blood pressure, heart, lungs problem, breathing problem, cancer, diabetes and etc. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between you and from anyone having fever or cough. Avoid crowded places, especially if you are over the age of 60 and having the negative health hazard like increased blood pressure, heart, lungs problem, breathing problem, cancer, diabetes, and etc. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between you and from anyone having fever or cough. Now, why we should avoid the crowded places? COVID 19 spreads mainly by the respiratory droplets which came from nose or mouth from the peoples which contains the virus. By avoiding to go in the crowd, you keep yourself distant from the persons who are having COVID 19 and other respiratory diseases. Step 5. Stay home if you are unwell, even with the slight fever or cough. Now, why we should stay in home? By staying home, we can recover faster and avoid transmitting diseases to other peoples. Step 6. If you have a fever, cough, or difficulty in breathing, seek the medical care immediately. But first, call your hospitals or health center in by which they can tell you where you should have to go for the treatment of the COVID-19 virus. This will help you to make sure the right advice and are directed to the right health services, and also will prevent you to infecting others. Step 7. Get information of the COVID-19 virus from the trusted sources. Stay informed about the latest information about the COVID-19 virus from your trusted sources of network. Make sure that the information comes from reliable places like World Health Organization, National Public Health Agency, and all the health professionals. Now, why we should take the information about COVID-19 virus from the trusted sources? Because local and national authorities have the most updated news about the COVID-19, like it is spreading in your area or not. Also, they are best placed to advise on what the people in your area doing to prevent themselves in from the COVID-19 virus. Now, why we should take the information about COVID-19 virus from the trusted sources? Because local and national authorities have the most updated news about the COVID-19, like it is spreading in your area or not. Also, they are best placed to advise on what the people in your area doing to prevent themselves in from the COVID-19 virus. Now, if a person follow these many steps, then I am guaranteed that he can't be affected by the COVID-19 virus. From this, I am ending today's video. Stay home, stay safe, stay apart to do our part. Thank you.